Hello my angels, subscribe to my obsession and press the bell icon on the YouTube app to never miss any update. Welcome back to my obsession. This is Anamika here and today I am back with a makeup tutorial, and this is a requested makeup tutorial from Chitrita Mukherjee. Actually she is the bridesmaid, or you can say she is the bride's sister. So she requested for this look to come up with something blue and golden. She wanted me to use a glitter, but then I don't have a glitter. So this is what I have come up with, a halo look. Just because I don't have golden glitter, I just kept this as it is. But if you have glitter, you can definitely pop on your golden glitter on the mid of your eyes where you have the golden going on. It's gonna give you that extra glamorous look. So yes, this is the look, how it turned out. I just thought of going with a nude lips. This is a very smoky kind of a halo look. If you want, you can surely go with a wing liner. It's just I was feeling the smokiness is going really nice and looking really bold. So I just kept it this way. This is a very easy to recreate makeup look. If you really enjoy this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. For more updates, don't forget to hit that bell button. You'll be notified whenever I upload a video. So yes, that's me blabbering a lot. Now let's just get into this video. So first I'm going to use my primer, and for that I'm going with this Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Makeup Primer. And I'm going with this on the T-zone area. I'm just going to blend this out. And I'm going to start with my eye makeup first. So I'm going to conceal my eyelids, and for that I'm going with this LA Girl Pro Concealer. And I'm going to apply this all over my lids. And then I'm going to blend this out with my fingers. And now to set my lids, I'm going with this shade from Makeup Revolution Color Chaos palette. And now I'm just going to set my eyes with this shadow. And now from the same Makeup Revolution Color Chaos palette, I'm going with this shade. And I'm going with this on the crease area as my transition shade. And now I'm going to blend this out so there are no harsh lines. And now for my next color, I'm going with this shade from Makeup Revolution Redemption Day to Night palette, and this is a gorgeous navy blue color. And I'm going with this on the inner and on my outer V. Now if you have a blue pencil liner, then you can surely go ahead with that, and then you can go with the eyeshadow. Just because I don't have the blue eye pencil, I'm going with the eyeshadow directly. And as you can see, I have kept the middle of my eyelids empty, and I'm working out with both the sides, like the inner and on the outer corner. Now I'm going to blend the edges out so there are no harsh lines. I really want this to fade in. So I'm just doing that. And now after blending this out, I'm again going with this shade and even this blue from Makeup Revolution Color Chaos palette. Mixing both the colors, I'm going to apply this on the same areas I have applied my eyeshadows earlier. And as you can see, I'm just going till here. I'm not touching the area where I have already blended out. I'm just going with this area. And now again going with this blending brush and blending the edges. And now for the golden, I'm going with this shade from Lakme 925 Pods. And I'm just picking this color with my finger so it's nice and opaque. And I'm just applying this on the mid of my eyes. Now if you're using a loose pigment, you can go as it is. If you have some Fix Plus, you can spray it and go with it. Just because I don't have, I'm just going with my fingers so it gives a nice and opaque color. And now again I'm going with this mauve purple shade, which is a matte color, and I'm tapping off any excess, and I'm just going to blend this on the crease area. So you know, like there are no harsh line, and even I'm blending this area with a different color, so it gives a nice ombre-ish look. So that's it for my upper lids. Now if you want to add some glitters, you can surely go ahead. Then you can just apply those golden glitter on the areas where I have put the golden halo-ish look. You can just go with your glitter and you're done with your upper lids. Now I'm going to the lower lash line, and for that I'm going to tight line and waterline first. And for that I'm going with this Lakme Iconic Kajal. And now I'm going to repeat the same thing on the lower lash line. I'm going with this shade first. And I'm just going to smoke out my lower lash line with this. And as my second shade, I'm going with this again. And even I'm going with this on the lower lash line. So I'm almost done with my eyes, but not yet done. But now let's move on to the face makeup, and for that I'm going with this L'Oreal Infallible foundation. And I'm going to apply this all over my face. And now I'm going to buff this in. And even I'm applying this on the neck area. And now to highlight and conceal, I'm again going with LA Girl Pro Concealer. And I'm going with this on the forehead, on the bridge of my nose, on the cupid's bow, around my mouth, on my chin, and underneath my eyes. And now again I'm going to blend this. And now for my lip balm, I'm going with this Maybelline Baby Lip Balm. And now to set my concealer, I'm going with this LA Girl Pro Powder High Definition Setting Powder. And I'm just going to take very less on my brush, and let me know if you want a review on this. And I'm just going to set the areas I have concealed. And now after setting my face, I'm going to contour my face with this Makeup Revolution Duo Face Sculpt, the brown shade. And I'm going with this on the usual areas of my face, on the hollows of my cheeks, on my jawline, on the forehead, and even I'm going to contour my nose with this. And now I'm going to fill in my brows, and for that I'm going with this LA Girl Inspired Brow Kit. And if you want an in-depth tutorial how I do my brow or my brow routine, you can just check out this eye, you'll reach that video. So now I'm going to move on to my eyes again. I'm just going to finish my eyes and then again I'll come back to my face makeup. So for my eyes now I'm going to draw a liner, a very simple liner. Actually my eyes are nice and smoky. I really don't want to, like go for a exaggerated wing liner or something. I just want to keep it really nice and simple, and for that I'm going with this liner, and this is the NYXmatte liquid liner, which is my all-time favorite. And now after the liner, I'm going with my mascara, and for that I'm going with this Maybelline Falsies Push-Up Drama. And I'll be going with generous coat with this, and I'm going to apply this on the top and even on the bottom lashes. And now for my blusher, I'm going with this Rimmel London blusher, and this is the Lasting Finish Soft Color Blush in Light Pink 150. And I'm going with this on the apples of my cheeks. And now for the highlighter, I'm going with this Makeup Revolution Iconic Blush Bronze and Brighten Flesh palette. I'm going with this highlighter shade right here. And I'm going with this on the forehead, on the bridge of my nose, on the tip, on the cupid's bow, and on my chin. And even I'm going with this on the tops of my cheeks. On the eyebrow bone, on the tops of my eyebrows, and that's it. And now for my lipstick, I'm going with this Sugar Smudge Me Not liquid lipstick in the shade Suave Mauve. Just because my eyes are very nice and bold, I want to go for a very neutral lips, so I'm going with this right here. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial, and I hope Chitrita you surely enjoyed this makeup tutorial. It was something I wanted to do it long back, as you know, as your request came, but yeah, I'm sorry for being late, but then it's better to be late than never. But I hope you will have a blasting sister's wedding. Just rock on, girl, and don't forget to share your photographs with me. I'll love to see what you have done with your makeup and everything. I hope you can create this makeup, because this was a very easy makeup and this is very easy to recreate. Believe me, if you go through these steps, you'll surely do it. So yeah, that's it for this look. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, you know what you have to do. Give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. For more updates, don't forget to hit that bell button, so whenever I'm uploading a new video, you'll be notified. And if you have any request, please do comment down below. To all my other viewers and even Chitrita, if you have anything, let me know. So that's all for this video. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, please subscribe and like this video. We'll see you in my next one. Till then, love you all. Mwah. Bye. Please click on the images so you can watch my previous videos, and if you really want to follow me on Facebook and Instagram, the links are given below, and even you can follow me on my blog page. And for subscribing to my channel, please click on the image, and thank you so much for watching. Please wait for the next one.